Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am creating a tube of lipstick tumbler. Yes, you heard me right. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm starting with this 17-ounce bullet tumbler, and you can see why it gets the name. It looks just like a bullet, but I also thought and had seen on Pinterest people have turned this into lipstick, and of course I had to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the cap, and then I will remove the lid as well. This is where you can drink out of it. It doesn't come with a straw. So I'm going to put that back in the box so that I don't lose it. And then I'm going to sand this before we go into painting. Could not stick my hand in the tumbler because it's too narrow. So sanding it was a little bit of a challenge, but I made it work. Clean the tumbler with 91% rubbing alcohol, and then we can begin to paint. So the first thing I'm going to do after I clean up my area is tape off the rim so that we don't get any epoxy over the threads. And then I'm going to also tape down to where the base of the lipstick tube would be. Using just basic black acrylic paint, I'm going to give this 2 coats of the black. This is the second coat, and I'm going to make sure that it's still wet, and I'm going to use this as my adhesive. And I'm going to use Mamba by Sparkle Sloth Supplies and pour this all over the paint that we just did. Moving on to the cap, I'm going to use this red acrylic paint and paint all of that. And again, I will use this as my adhesive as well. Once this dries, I will give it a coat of epoxy. On the top portion, I'm just using this gray acrylic paint, and it was fairly thick, so it did not need several coats. But it was drying super fast, so I wasn't going to be able to use this as my glitter adhesive. So I forgot to record me putting the glitter on this, but Once this dried, I did use Mod Podge to adhere the glitter. The glitter that I used was some silver glitter that I got from Amazon when I first started doing tumblers forever ago. And it was the only silver that I had that was not holographic, and I did not want holographic. Once that was dry, I did seal it twice with Rust-Oleum Clear Coat, and now I'm adding the epoxy on. And I'm going to give this 2 coats. And I am putting a second coat on the lid. Once that second coat was dry, it is time to add the detailing. I did sand these down in spots and made sure that the rim was clear. So I cut out this strip of black at 2.50 inches by probably 11 inches, but it doesn't need to be that long. And then I also cut out silver in 0.125 by 11 inches. And I'm just laying that right on top of the black. And this kind of serves as what you would call the lipstick to like twist. It's just for aesthetic. And then now I'm going to go ahead and do the decal. So I talked to a couple friends and really wasn't sure what I wanted to put on here. And one of my very best friends told me about a quote by Kate Spade, and I thought it was perfect. So it says, I don't know, I can't read it. I'll show you here in a minute. So I did mostly in black, but then the red lipstick part I put in red. And now I'm just going to go ahead and weed out all of the little bits because this was teeny tiny writing. And here you can see the quote, "She has a way with words, red lipstick, and making an entrance." And I thought that was so fitting for this tumbler. So I'm going to seal this with CC DIY Quick Coat, give it 2 final coats of epoxy, and once that's cured, I do take the lid out of the box and put it on. I absolutely love this lid. It's spill proof and you can drink straight from it. Oh, I might have to make myself one. Anyway, go ahead and put the cap on. And then you can just see how stinking adorable this is. Look at that. It's so classy and it's just perfect. But I really, really love it. And it was super easy to make. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.